Good morning students. How are you all? You all are fine? Okay. So today we are going to do something craft. Okay. What you can see here? Which color is this? Yes, this is orange color. Okay. I have cut some strips of orange chart paper. Okay. Orange paper. So what you are going to do is you are going to take a orange paper, okay, and you are going to cut strips. You can cut as many strips you want, okay. You are going to cut a square of orange and you are going to take some brown color, okay, scissor and Fevicol. After cutting, we are going to make out of this, that is pumpkin, vegetable pumpkin. Okay, so pumpkin is in orange color. So let's start. Now what we will do is, I am taking one strip. Okay, I am taking one strip, and now I am going to fold it this way. Okay. So, apply Fevicol over here and you are going to stick it this way. It should stick properly. Okay? This way. Okay? Now, I am taking another paper. Okay, we are going to insert this inside this and we are going to apply again, but we are going to stick this one also. Okay, see what I am doing. The part which we have which we stick before, first one, we are going to apply Fevicol on it only again. Okay, we will stick this way. Okay, and now take the second part of this and you are going to stick it this way. Okay, after sticking this, you are going to stick it downwards also. Yes, and it should be in between. So you will apply the Fevicol even down so that your pumpkin stands. So see, we have stick this way. So you will be sticking it down also and you are going to stick it up also. Okay, now I am taking the next strip. You are going to insert it inside like this. Again you will apply Fevicol over here. You will stick this part. Okay. This way. Okay. And now you will apply Fevicol on this paper. And this way. Okay, press it properly so that it should stick properly. Okay, now again we are going to apply Fevicol down part. This way. Okay, so that our pumpkin should stand downwards also. So press it properly so that our pumpkin stands. Okay. So like this way we are going to do the whole pumpkin. Now see, can you see this? This is bouncing this way. It is looking like ball. Yes. So this is handmade pumpkin. Now I am taking this square paper, orange. Okay. And you are going to cut it in small square. Okay. and we are going to stick it like this above it. Okay, so I'll show you how to stick. You will apply little Fevicol over here on this pumpkin, and you are going to apply this paper over here like this. Okay, and keep pressing it till it gets dry. So see, I have stick the square this way. Now what you're going to do is, when it gets dried, you're going to make a hole over here. Okay, I'll show you how to make hole. You're going to make a small hole. So you have made hole, okay, and see, can you see hole over here? Okay, and while making hole, please take your parents' help. Okay, now I am taking this brown color paper, okay, and I'm going to cut small rectangle. Yes, and I'm going to apply it this way. So this is our pumpkin. I hope you like it. Thank you.